Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Wise to bank accounts. If you want to send money from your Wise account to a bank account, then here is how you can do it. First of all, just open your Wise application in your mobile or simply log into wise.com. From the main home page, tap on this send button at the bottom of the page. Now select whether you like to make an international transaction or for the same currency. Once you select your transaction type, go ahead and enter the amount you want to send. Select the currency from the right hand side from the first box and then enter the amount you are willing to send to the bank account. After typing in the amount, it will show you the amount your recipient will get. You can also choose the currency for your recipient by tapping on the drop down right hand side of the recipient box. After you select the currency, tap on the continue button at the bottom of the page. On the next page, you will need to select your recipient. Select if you want to send the amount to yourself by choosing myself. If you want to send it to someone else, choose the second option. And if you are trying to send the amount to a business organization, tap on the last option. Once you make the selection, it will take you to the account details page here. You'll need to enter the recipient's email address on the next field, enter the bank details of the person you would want to send, and enter the recipient's date of birth information on the next build. If you don't want to do that, you can skip this step since it's an optional. So once you are done with it, go to the next build and now type in the international bank account number in the IBAN text box. Make sure to enter the account number correct of the bank and from the next drop down, select the recipient's nationality. You can also skip this step and tap on confirm and then follow the prompts to the end and you will be able to send money to a bank account on Wise. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.